Hey there, have you ever struggled to find the right words when writing a post or comments on LinkedIn? Well, LinkedGPT is here to save the day. Imagine you are writing a post on LinkedIn or commenting on a thought-provoking thread. Instead of struggling to find the right words or spending time editing, LinkedGPT can help you generate high-quality content. Let me show you how it works. It's a fantastic Chrome extension that revolutionized the way you write posts and comments on LinkedIn. Once you have the LinkedGPT Chrome extension installed, all you need to do is open up the LinkedIn. It enables you to effortlessly create posts and respond to comments on LinkedIn. With ChatGPT integrated directly into LinkedIn, you can harness its powerful capabilities without leaving the platform. When you go to LinkedIn, you will see the button directly near post and comment section. For example, I want to write a post about announce that I have joined the new company SSI. And simply click on write post and it will write the response for you. You can just click the insert button and it will insert it back to the post or comment section. You can also add the tags if you want. And simply click on post. Or let me create another post. For example, I want to write the post about I have completed my 2 years at SSI. As you can see how beautifully it works. You just need to click on post and you can save your lot of time. Not just only post, you can write the comments. For example, I want to comment on this video. Here I just click on comment and it will automatically generate the comment related to post. Just I need to click on insert and that's it. LinkedGPT analyzes the context of your post or comment and suggests relevant content to enhance your writing. It not only saves your time but also helps you create more engaging posts and comments. If you are a content creator or simply someone who wants to express themselves more effectively online, LinkedGPT can take your writing to the next level. So LinkedGPT is like having a writing assistant right at your fingerprints. So the link to this extension is available in the video description, so must check it out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And remember, with the LinkedGPT, your writing will never be the same again. Happy writing and see you next time.